can do take Saturday and Sunday and complete the training or complete this particular use case. Normally, if you can, just do it. And if you are able to complete it, then understand that you are job ready. Okay, I started the meeting and recording as well. So let's just see. Can you see the screen? Can you see my screen or not?
No.
Sure. Okay, what about now?
Yeah, we can.
And this project will work individually, and from next project you will be in teams, like from Monday. So by that time, try to complete the code so that even if one person in the team can complete, then it will be easy. Okay. So training.openspan.com. Username can be anything, only 4 letters. You can give anything, so it will just log you in. You no need to add something into this. Okay. So the first activity is go to inventory and export all this information into an Excel. Okay. That's one. So the project name is inventory. Okay. We have got week 2 as well. Let's see if I did pull in any changes. To me. Yeah, let's see. Refresh. So from this week, it will be on projects only. Be active, because though you miss one day, in basics you will be able to cover in the next day. Projects will not be like that. Okay. So let's add a new Excel. Microsoft review use case. At the end, you have one PDF as well. Hope that should be available for everyone. If not, we need to create on our own. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so this top three, whatever you have, this product you need to build in. Basically, let's copy this one. And let's paste it back into Excel. Yeah. Okay. So inventory, first activity, we need to add inventory. Okay. So the inventory will be from here. So you can just take out information like this. Okay. And then paste. Paste over here. So this is inventory. So if you see in the inventory, there are some items available and there are some items that are missing. You need not extract it as is, but if you see in the PDF, it will be different. Like in the, this is the, let's assume that this is a requirement document, and in this requirement document, we have something like this. We extracted these values and we kept it in this particular item. Okay. Now, once we are able to get all the values, next thing is to extract beverages and seasonings and to add it back. Beverages, and the next one is seasonings. Everyone use modern activities if it will be useful for you. So next activity is products, beverages, and you can extract all the values. So this is my beverages, and the next one is seasonings. Products and seasonings. Okay, so this is Chang, this is Chai, product ID and price. So one thing if you observe here, the product IDs that are available, seasoning and category, these will be unique. Like seasoning category, product ID 3, it will be available only in seasonings. Okay. So you just need to filter out the values based on the product ID. For example, this one, this is the new price, like 10. So all you need to do is you need to fetch the items. So go back and see, extract all the values. Okay, this one also extract seasonings. So once you extract all the values, then click on stores. You will have something called stores here. Stores, store list. So this is also a table that you can pick up. Okay. Now, if you observe in this inventory sheet, there is something called Dallas and Atlanta. So we need to, so current cost, whatever he is getting is 5 rupees. If we want to sell, it is 8 rupees, 10 rupees and 7.50 if it is wholesale. So this is the selling price. All we need for each and every item like anti syrup and all, we need to fetch two items, two things. First thing is get the price. We need to add new price, and store. From which store are we ordering? Or address. This is address. Okay. Now all we need to see is, okay, now 3, and what is the price for 3? It will be available over here in the seasonings, and the new price for 3 is $10. So you need to just go ahead and add it over here. This is 10, and in the next address field, you see It need not be in these columns like this. It can be in single row. You investigate and identify how to get that done. In the stores, so here if you see what are the two different items that we have. Inventory, Dallas and Atlanta on hand. So you need to see where is Dallas and where is Atlanta. Now here you have Atlanta. Where is Atlanta? Atlanta not there. Dallas. I think I'm seeing it a wrong place. City. Yeah, let's see with city. Atlanta, Dallas. A, B, C, D. Can you see Dallas anywhere? Dallas. Yeah, here you go. So here we have Dallas, and this is the particular item, like 6 Simon Avenue, and along with this the item ID. So complete address you need to get it, and the address will be available over here. You need to get something like this address. Prepare a column H sheet by concatenating all the address fields where city is matching the city mentioned in column under on hold in the sheet inventory. So if there is anything with on hold, let's see anything, it's is it on a hold, on hold, let's search hold. No, not that. Check back with the assessment column on hold. This last point I'm not able to get it. Store. Okay, see, we'll try to identify our own activity. So what you can do is in this Dallas place, whatever you have with Dallas, you can add all the Dallas values. So these are the values, right? Just copy Texas, Dallas, copy inventory, control V. Let's just add in notepad, stores, control C, control V, copy, paste. So all this value you need to go ahead and paste over inventory. This is Dallas value. Okay, so like this we need to add price as well as the area. So once you add all the values, you will get the highest value. For example, this is $10, this is $12, this is $15, and this is $40, $45. So now out of all these values, which are the top three values? Top three values with new highest price. Don't say. I think this is on hand. This is not on hold. On hand city. So this is on hand value. Instead of hold, this is on hand. HAND. Okay. So this thing you need to see. So Atlanta, what is the new price and address? Dallas, what is the new price and address? Just go ahead and add these values. Populate H using store, concatenating all the fields, matching the cities is mentioned in the counts within this sheet. So Atlanta we have minus 472 and Dallas we have 0. So maybe we need to add in Atlanta. Just identify how to get that values. And once we have the values, let's assume that there are 3 items, right? This one. For example, chai, beverage, Atlanta, this particular value. So you just need to add it back to Word. So this is the new Word document that we have created. Let's add it. File, save as, final report, browse. Yep. So here you need to add chai. So you need to add only top three items with the highest price. So 45, this is the one. 45, 39, this is 39. Category is beverages, and on hand value you need to add both. Cost can be this one, like 45. I'm sorry. Cost is this one. This is the cost, $9, and this is new price is 45. Pricing. Okay, I think the pricing is here. This is the pricing. So you just need to create an Excel, create a report with all the values along with 45. Just a second. And the final value, like whatever address you have, you need to add it. In this way, you need to populate all the 3 fields and send it over email. Okay. So I'm stopping it over here. Please ask your questions. I'm storing or I'm saving all the values. Did you understand the use case? Yes, no? Please tell.
Yes, Mr. Understand. Yes.
So first thing, you need to extract 4 data tables, and after extracting 4 data tables, you need to take the items that are in on hand and you need to add the items in the Excel next to it. And once you have updated the items, all you need to do is you just need to add the rows with addresses and then add it to your Excel, your Word document. Okay. So any questions? If you want, I'll be on mute for 2 minutes. Just go ahead. You can discuss within yourselves, but take initiative and complete the use case. It doesn't matter if it is an RE framework or not. I don't require it to be an RE framework, but completing the use case is mandatory. And for this, you are given a um, 3 hour time in the interview. So after 3 hours, you need to send it back with the code. So understand how fast you need to do. Okay, I'm going on mute. If you want to discuss, you can go ahead and discuss. Let me also commit the code. Push to origin. Yeah, I have pushed that to origin. You can just pull the code and work on it. Stopping the screen share, going on mute. Please go ahead and discuss within yourselves. Any other question?
No more questions.
Maybe once we start doing it, we'll get questions, then we'll post in the group or
Okay,
we'll communicate.
I'll give you a hint. Okay, since I have already done the code, today I got it. Yesterday I got it, and today I have completed. I know what are the issues that I'll get. So, can anyone share the screen? Yeah, go to that OpenSpan page. You can start with a new UiPath project in your folder. Meanwhile, have you downloaded the package or have you downloaded GitHub commit that I have made just now? You need to sync it.
Actually, yes, I pulled here.
Yeah, open that. Open the fold. Open the Word document. It will be there in Vajrang week 2. No, you did not pull the change. It should be week 2. Sync the
How could I
changes.
do?
Go back to
Can I
GitHub.
do here?
Go back to GitHub. Go back to your fork. Your fork. Yeah, click on Satish. Sync it first. You need to sync it. Okay. Now pull changes. Fetch origin. Yeah.
Pull
Pull.
origin.
Yes. Okay. Open that use case. RP assessment use case. Open that URL training.openspan.com. Everyone try to actually manually do it once before we close our session. Even this login should be automated. go to
Where should everyone click?
go to inventory, open a new project in your UiPath, and then try to extract this table once. I think that there is an option called order more. You should order more only to the items that requires an order, not everything. So whatever I'm telling are the business cases. Like there are minus 396 order more, right? Maybe you just need to see them.
Where can I have to extract this data?
Yeah.
By using table extraction.
Yes.
Should I rename it?
So if you think that you are good with it, just continue. Do whatever you want. I'm not. So
I cannot remember that. I have to try. I not remember so much, but I know little bit.
Just go ahead and click on next button. Next, or save it. Finish selection and save. Escape and save it, because there is no next button. You can just click on escape and save it. Yeah. Continue. Write it to a so right on the three dots, click on the three dots, hamburger, no, in the extract data table. Okay, extract test extraction, use text extraction, test it.
Use edit extract data.
No, click on test extraction, next option. So how many items are you getting?
3, 4, 7.
Only one item. One row.
Oh, only one item, but 7 columns.
That's fine, but you are getting only one row.
Okay, we have to click one more item to get total.
So how many read range you will keep to get all the items? If there are 15, if there are 30 items, will you keep 30 read range or extract tables?
No, but we have to click on we have to take at least 2 columns to get data.
No,
at least 2 items.
Not like I think. Do one thing. Now go back and click on extract data wizard again. So this is the hint that I'm going to give you. Extract data wizard. Yeah. Okay. Click on and seed syrup. Add data. Add data, and then click on and seed syrup. And seed syrup.
Actually, voice is on.
Click on and seed syrup. Yeah.
Okay.
Click on no. Would you like to extract all columns? Click on no. Click on chai. So now it will extract all the columns. Whatever it's showing, it will extract. Okay. So click on tick mark. So this is how you will extract unstructured data or not tabular data. Rename it to product. 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 The same way, extract product ID.
Add data.
Yeah, add data. extract product ID. Yeah, click on tick mark so that it will extract all the values. Okay, and if you observe on the top, home is also available. If for the product ID, you also got home. Okay, you need to identify how can you filter it. Okay, click on next, go with seasoning, like category. Select category. Category. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, next go ahead with confirm. So it's extracting all the category values. That's it. So you can extract all the other values, but for now you can click on OK and save it. Let's see now how do we get it?
Continue.
Yeah, just hit on continue and save. Okay, now test extraction. Are you getting all the values now?
Yes.
And product ID you are getting on the left, product you are getting on the right, and then category. Okay, so you need to identify how to filter that particular item, like home. How can you remove that? You need to identify. Okay,
Okay.
one more example or one more hint is you can use filter data table, and you can remove all the values that are having empty product names. Like in the product, if we have empty, then it means that it's not required. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how you can extract the values if you are not able to extract it directly from the table. Other pages are not having this issue. Other pages are coming properly, but only this page is having this issue. So that is the input that I can give for you.
Okay.
Okay. So once you start working on it, you will get more uh, interest in how to solve it. But one thing, see, what I have observed over past few months is, for the first use case, everyone will be excited to work and to sit together and complete it. But by the next use case, everyone will take it very lightly, or you can also say that they already understood the use case. So any kind of use case will be on the same level. So they will either stop working on it, or they will just ignore. So don't do that mistake, because if you do that mistake, how will you be able to complete 3 projects? It will not be possible, right? Though I will take class and session, though I'll be able to complete, it's you who should sit and work. It's not me. Okay, so this is the first project. Have the same enthusiasm till the last one.
Sure.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it for today. I think we have taken around 40 minutes of session. But were you able to understand the use case or not?
Yes,
Yeah.
Vajrang.
Okay. All the best, everyone.
Understood.
So this is not easy project. This will take time. So take enough time and sit and complete, and use the communication medium. Either sit and connect over Teams, and maybe you can use the same link just to connect together and to discuss what you have done. And either one person can do a screen share, others can sit and work with him. So do whatever you want, you can do, but try to complete the code.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So I'll be recording this
Yeah.
meeting. So all the best, everyone. All the best for your first project. And trust me,
Thank
this is
you.
the easiest project that I'm giving you. Okay. Next week's projects will be much more tougher.
Okay.
Okay. And they will be easy until I say you cannot do it. It will always be easy. So sit and work. Just spend time. That's it. Okay, I'm leaving the meeting. If you want to still continue and discuss, you can discuss.